Good morning, students. This is Srinivasa Parmal. Today we are going to discuss about Chapter 4 Linear Equation in Two Variable, Exercise 4.3. Question number 3. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, then find the values of a. The given equation is 3y is equal to ax plus 7, and the point also given. So the point 3 4, that means x y. So the value of x is equal to 3 and the value of y is equal to 4. So just substitute this value into given equation. So 3 times of y, that means 4, is equal to a times of 3, that means plus 7. So this 7 is moving to next another side. So 3a is equal to 12 minus 7. That means a is equal to 3a is equal to 5. Then a is equal to 5 divided by 3. Question number 4. The taxi fare in a city is follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is Rs 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is Rs 5 per kilometer, taking a distance covered as x kilometer. So the question also mentioned the total distance. X kilometer and total fare y. Write a linear equation for this information and draw the graph. The first one, we need to write the linear equation. The given data is the total distance is x and total fare is y. And also the question is mentioned the first kilometer is a fixed charge. So first kilometer fare is 8 rupees. Then for the consecutive, for the rest of the first one, so 5 rupees. So the total distance is x. So the rest of the first one only. So just x minus 1. The total fare, we just adding the first kilometer fare and for the rest of. So total fare is equal to just adding these two amount. First one is fixed 8 rupees and the rest of the value is 5 times of x minus 1. So after simplifying, 8 plus 5x minus 5, then final value is 5x plus 3. So this is the final equation. Y is equal to 5x plus 3. Then we need to draw a graph based on the given linear equation. Then so graph, the minimum 2 point is needed. So just substitute x is equal to 0, y equal to 5 times of 0 plus 3, then finally the value of y is equal to 3 for these conditions. So 0, 3 is a point. Next, apply x is equal to 1. Then y equal to 5 times of 1 plus 3. Then value of y is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. Then 1, 3 is a point. Sorry, 1, 8 is a point. X is equal to 0 means y value 3, then x 1 means y value is equal to 8. So based on these 2 points, we draw a graph. The first point, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. So x 0 and y is equal to 3. So this point. 0 comma 3. The next, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 8. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 8. So just connecting these lines. So this point is 1 comma 8 and the line equation y is equal to 5x plus 3. Question number 5. From the choice given below, choose the equation whose graph are given in the figure. So just comparing the graph have 3 points is given. So one is, for example, I fixing A, B and this point is C. So the point A is equal to minus 1 comma plus 1 and point B is equal to 0 comma 0 and point C is equal to 1 comma minus 1. So the given terms, the equation is must satisfy all 3 points. Let's check first one. Y is equal to x, but comparing minus 1 and plus 1, the sign will differ. So A comma C is not possible and B is okay. So these 2 points is not satisfy the first equation. The option 1 is not. Next, x plus y is equal to 0. So x plus y is equal to 0. This time is moving to right side. X is equal to minus y. So now compare everything in the different sign and the same value. So minus 1 and plus 1 is satisfied and 0 comma 0 is also satisfied. Then 1 comma minus 1. So different sign. So this condition is also satisfied. So option 2 is correct. The next one, just comparing the option 3. Y is equal to 2x. But compare. So y and x only sign change, not for any difference. So the option 3 is not. Then question number 4. 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. So 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. Just find the values of x only. So x is equal to 2 plus 3y divided by 7. So if substituting the b point, so if x is equal to 0, so y not equal to 0 for these conditions. So this is not. So the only answer is option number 2. X plus y is equal to 0 is the correct answer. In question 5, the second case. So just comparing the given figure and the given terms. So which one is correct? We need to find. So from the given figure have 3 points. So A, B and C. So the point A is equal to minus 1 comma 3 and point B is equal to 0 comma 2. Then point C is equal to 2 comma 0. So we need to just check this given point in the values of equation. Then one is y is equal to x plus 2. So just substitute the point A. So x is equal to minus 1. If x is equal to minus 1 means we getting y is equal to 1. So not satisfying. So the first one is wrong. Then move for next one. Y is equal to x minus 2. Y equal to x minus 2. So just substitute the first point. If x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 3. So if x minus 1 means we getting the y value is equal to minus 3. So not satisfy the given conditions. So this is also not correct. Then comparing the third one. Y is equal to minus x plus 2. Now substitute the point A. That means x is equal to minus 1. We getting y equal to minus of minus 1 plus 2. That means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So this condition is satisfied. Now check point B. If x is equal to 0, we are getting y is equal to 2. So this one is also satisfying. Then third point, option C. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2, then plus 2. So finally getting is 0. So this condition also satisfied. So option 3 is correct answer. Now move for option 4. X is equal to, then move for this one, 6 minus 2y. So substitute the values of y in here. So option C, just substitute the C. So if y is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. Just substitute, if y is equal to 0 means we getting x is equal to 6. So this is not correct. So the only one option, option 3 is correct answer. Thank you.